Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to create a group in Telegram. Whether you want to connect with friends, colleagues, or like-minded individuals, creating a group can facilitate seamless communication. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram. Launch the Telegram app on your device by tapping on its icon. Make sure you have the latest version installed to access all the latest features. Step 2. Tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. Look for the 3 horizontal lines arranged vertically and tap on them. This will open the main menu. Step 3. Tap on New Group and add participants and members to this group. Select the New Group option from the menu. You can then start adding participants by searching for their names or usernames. Step 4. Add a group name and picture. Provide a name for your group that accurately represents its purpose. Additionally, you can add a group picture, although it's optional. Step 5. Tap on the checkmark icon in the bottom right corner to create the group. Once you've added the group name and picture, tap on the checkmark icon to finalize and create the group. By following these simple steps, you can easily create a group in Telegram and invite participants to join. Customize your group with a name and picture to make it more appealing and recognizable. Creating a group in Telegram is a fantastic way to foster communication and collaboration among individuals with shared interests or goals. Start connecting with others today. We hope this comprehensive guide has been helpful in showing you how to create a group in Telegram. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy creating and managing groups in Telegram.